In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact type in GoodDay. First, make sure you're logged into your GoodDay account and you're on the main workspace screen. We'll start by opening your account settings. Look towards the lower left corner of your GoodDay interface, where you'll see your profile icon. This is usually either your photo or your initials inside a small circle. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to options related to your personal account. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Account Settings. Click on Account Settings to open the main settings page for your profile and tools. This is where GoodDay groups a lot of configuration options, so it may look a bit busy at first, but we'll focus only on what we need for contact types. Once you're on the Account Settings page, look for the section labeled CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and this is where GoodDay stores and manages your contacts, companies, and related data. Click on CRM to open the CRM settings area. Inside the CRM settings, you'll see different configuration options. Find and click on CRM Contact. This section controls how your contacts are organized, including the different contact types you can assign. Opening this will display a list of existing contact types, if any have already been created. Now that you're in the CRM contact settings, look for a button or link labeled New Type. This is usually positioned near the top or on the right-hand side of the list of existing types. Click on New Type to start creating a new contact type. This will open a small form or dialog where you can define what the new type should be called. In the field that appears, type in the name of your new contact type. Choose a clear, descriptive name that makes sense for your workflow, such as lead, vendor, or partner. This label is what you and your team will see when assigning types to contacts later, so it's worth taking a moment to get it right and keep it consistent with your existing naming conventions. Once you've entered the name and you're happy with it, look for the Save button in that same dialog. Click on Save to confirm and create the new contact type. After saving, your new type should appear in the list of contact types and be available when you add or edit contacts in GoodDay. That's all you need to do to add a new contact type in GoodDay, and you can repeat these same steps anytime you want to create additional types.